Hello YouTube, my name is Scott Perdue. I'm an Amazon author of over 100 books, all kinds of Christian books, self-help books out there for you, wonderful ones. Next time you're on Amazon, go to the search bar, type in my name, Scott Perdue, pull up all those wonderful options, add some to cart that are appealing to you. You may have to scroll down a little bit. Add those to cart, get them in your life right away. There's life-changing wisdom there for you. Anyway, today I'm going to go over a book I'd recently published called Rising from the Ashes, How to Rebuild When Life Falls Apart. Today's the introduction video about the book Rising from the Ashes, How to Rebuild When Life Falls Apart. Life doesn't always go as planned. Sometimes it feels like everything you've built has crumbled, leaving you lost and uncertain about the future. But from the ashes of adversity, a stronger, more resilient you can rise. In Rising from the Ashes, How to Rebuild When Life Falls Apart, this empowering guide offers a roadmap to help you overcome life's toughest challenges and rebuild with purpose. Through 10 transformative chapters, you'll learn how to navigate the emotional aftermath of loss, finding your inner strength, and take practical steps to create a new beginning. Discover how to overcome fear, silence self-doubt, and cultivate a positive mindset that fuels your journey forward. This book will teach you why hardships are stepping stones, not dead ends, how to process grief and anger in healthy ways, the importance of setting small, achievable goals to rebuild your life, how gratitude, support systems, and personal purpose can transform pain into power, strategies to sustain resilience and thrive in the face of future challenges. Whether you're facing loss, failure, or a major life challenge, or major life change, Rising from the Ashes is your guide to reclaiming hope and rewriting your story. Let this book inspire you to rise, rebuild, and live a life you were meant to lead. Your comeback begins now. Grab your copy today. The 10 chapters of the book are number 1, first chapter, Understanding Adversity. Second chapter, Facing the Emotional Aftermath. Third chapter, Finding Your Inner Strength. Number 4, Creating a Vision for a New Beginning. Number 5, Rebuilding Your Life One Step at a Time. Number 6, Overcoming Fear with Self-Doubt. Number 7, Harnessing the Power of Gratitude and Positivity. Number 8, The Role of Support Systems. Number 9, Turning Pain into Purpose. And number 10, the final chapter, Sustaining Resilience for the Future. All right, that concludes today's video. This is a fantastic book and a series of 10 videos. You want to follow all the way through it. All kinds of great information there for you. Again, my name is Scott Perdue. I'm an Amazon author of over 100 books. Tons of Christian books, self-help books out there for you. Next time you're on Amazon, go to the search bar, type in my name, Scott Perdue. Pull up all those wonderful options. Scroll through them. Find some that are suitable for you. Add those to cart. Get them in your life right away. There's life-changing wisdom there for you. Definitely good stuff. Anyway, thanks again for following me through the video. Like the video. Subscribe to my channel. There's lots of great wisdom there for you. Have a blessed day. We'll see you in the next video.